My name is Derek, this channel is DIY Derek, and we hung a rug from the ceiling with 4 carabiners, some zip ties, and the cheapest rug we could find on Amazon to create a spot indoors for my kids to practice their softball and soccer. Stay tuned to see how we did it. I have a daughter who loves soccer. She eats, sleeps, and breathes soccer. She loves it, and her team is supposed to do 3,000 kicks. It's cold outside, it's wet, snowy and rainy. We're gonna build her a little indoor soccer kicking goal. Yeah, fun. Let's do it. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is order a rug from Amazon, which I did, and it's the right size for her to be able to kick against, and I'm gonna hang it from the ceiling. That's right, a rug hung from the ceiling for the ball to hit against and drop straight down. So, I have my rug here. Let's unbox it from Amazon. It was the absolute cheapest I could find, and it says it is a 6 foot by 9 foot Vivor rug. All right, let's cut it open and see this thing expand. Feels more like a blanket than a rug to me, but let's go ahead and see what we're dealing with. All right, I've unpackaged my rug and I've just put it on our little island here. I'm just gonna measure to make sure that it is truly the size that it says it is. Yeah, so it looks like it's gonna be about 6 by 9, a little bit shorter. And what I planned to do was just put some holes in the rug here and hang it from the ceiling. That's it, super simple. So I've got my package of random hardware that I grabbed from the garage, and I'm just doing anything to avoid a trip to Home Depot. So I found 3 carabiners. I need 4. I'd love for them to match if I could. So let's just look and see what we've got. Boom, a 4th. Okay, so with 4 carabiners that all match, let's just put holes right in the corners of the rug and then in 2 middle places. And then let's put 4 of these hangers in the ceiling, right along that ceiling joist. Let's hang this rug. And I'm just pushing it through underneath the seam. I'm gonna grab my carabiner and through that hole that I just made, like that. Okay, we'll do this 3 more times. Okay, I laid the rug out on a flat surface just so that I can measure it all the way. It is 9 feet, so I'm just gonna place my other 2 at 3 feet and at 6 feet. Okay, hopefully 4 is enough to hold this rug up onto the ceiling, and hopefully this is enough space. I know that it's 1 foot, 3 foot, 6 foot, 9 foot. Go mark those on the ceiling joists in the basement. This is the basement, and this is the wall that I want her to be able to kick against. This is kind of a big open space here, and the kids love coming down here and playing. It's cold outside, it's winter, and they don't want to be out there kicking soccer balls where they could be doing it in here. So, as you can see, we've already used this basement. It's kind of a playground for the kids. I've got a swing here. Let's go ahead and take this swing down on the carabiners, and I can see the floor joist right there, that ceiling joist. That's where we're gonna hang this rug. Let's do it. This stud sensor is my favorite. It shows you exactly where the studs are. Hear it right there. held up the rug, I noticed that there was a little too much space at the bottom. Thought about using some of this chain or some of this rope, but sometimes Occam's razor is that the simplest solution is often the best or the correct one. So we're just gonna use a zip tie or two, and we're gonna loop them through this and put the carabiner at the top to create a little bit more distance. Okay, we've done all 4 of these. Now let's hang the hooks on the top. All right, moment of truth here. 1, 2. Got it. All right, 4 for 4 on those studs. I could feel it every time, which is great. Okay, that's up. Before I let my daughter kick on it, I just want to see if I can add one more zip tie to each of these just to make sure that it's strong and doesn't rip through. This is a whole sports solution. Look, not only is it soccer, but you can also throw a ball. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.